Esta no moto.
One thing for me, just stop the point right where you are, dude. You're the only Johnny Utah. No more. You can do it good work. See you later, bro. Take it easy.
Like a red again, you know? This is the bike that I was like, okay, what can we do from here? Let's start, let's bring this to the world.
He and his friend and business partner, Gard Hollinger, build them here at their shop south of LA. It's a mix of old school handcraft and the very latest materials and tools, including virtual reality, to make some of the most custom bikes on the market.
Forming underdogs into champions. Smells like sled dogs.
Is that what we're doing? We're gonna go see some sled dogs?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm excited. It's really cool.
Wait, so you've dog sledded?
I was in Lapland actually when I was dog sledding. It was cool.
I bet it was cool. Yeah. Is there anything you haven't done?
Not really. Let's go see some puppies.
Yeah, let's see some puppies.
Momento muy diferente, momento que obviamente a los apasionados de los fierros y los motores nos interesa la...
Keanu! Yeah, he will look over.
Rush coming up. A new movie called How Do You Feel the Tank?
Mr. Reeves, when are you going to create another blockbuster movie, boss? So nice Norton you got there, Mr. Reeves.
What year is that, Ken?
motorcycle with a very few modifications that could do 200 miles an hour. Now, is this Keanu Reeves?
I think it might be. It was an orange tanked bike. I think that is.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yep.
It is. 2-litre V-twin 4-stroke. That's a cylinder a pot.
Yes.
So the previous bike that went up, all of its 4 cylinders will fit in one of these cylinders as Keanu Reeves makes his way past the house here at Goodwood for the first time this weekend. Well, Henry, we're so used to superstars, but here is a Hollywood star.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it reminds me of...
So, if the KR-GT1 is a performance cruiser, then this motorcycle is like a performance cruiser sport. What makes it sport? So, the riding position. Instead of having forward controls, we have a mid control. It has a different rake. On the 1S, it's brought in a little bit, so handling is a little different. Also, we're gonna have different wheels, obviously different body work. So it's got some other kind of developments going on in terms of tank design. We're still working on our final exhaust system for it. And then there's a whole bunch of other design elements that are going on under here. We have a new instrument panel. The frame is different than the KR-GT1. It's not exposed, and what's going on inside is a little bit different. We also like to do track rides. So there's the ponies for when we want to go fast on a racetrack. I'm riding the ZX-10 here, the Ninja. Guard's got the R1. Ross, who works at the company, he's dealing with the Aprilia, and that might be Simon's. Really amazing, all of them amazing motorcycles, and it's really fun just to get together. We do a lot of riding with the arches and go on arch events and ride all through the Santa Monica Mountains, and that's great. But we all love riding, and if you're on a track, you don't have to worry about traffic or speed limit.